Decals are fun and easy to make for Cricut beginners. All you need is your Cricut machine, design space, a mat, some vinyl, transfer tape, weeding tool and an item to stick it on. It's a good idea to start by measuring the space on the item where you would like your decal or sticker to go. Then you'll need to go to design space to make your design to fit these measurements. On the Make It page, I move my design down to the bottom right on the picture, and I also place my vinyl on the bottom right of my mat. This position makes it easy to check that the vinyl has cut through before unloading, and I like to make sure my vinyl is securely attached to my mat. Then let the machine do its magic. Before unloading, check the vinyl has cut through. The glitter vinyl I've used here didn't cut through, so I press start and let the machine cut it again. Another quick check before unloading, and this time it came out perfect. Now you're going to need to weed the excess vinyl around the image and some bits from inside the image. It helps to have a weeding tool and scissors for this, and I'm also using a nail varnish holder to collect the weeded scraps in. I'm starting in the corner that I lifted to do my check, and I'm pushing my weeding tool all the way through to get a good grip so that I can pull the background off. It depends what you're working on. Sometimes you can pull the background all the way off, but sometimes it gets stuck like this, and it's helpful to cut it away so it doesn't stick to the rest of the project. And sometimes I ball it up and use that to stick excess bits on as well. It's best to take your time with the weeding because it's very easy for it all to go horribly wrong very quickly. The more intricate the project you're working on, the more tricky it can be. This project is quite an easy one. Once you've removed your background, you just need to remove the smaller pieces inside the letters and shapes if there are any. I'll speed the video up a bit now. Next, you're going to need to place a piece of transfer tape on top of your decal. This is a strong grip transfer tape which actually came in the pack with my glitter vinyl, and burnish really well. I have a love-hate relationship with burnishing. Sometimes it goes really well and sometimes it's an absolute nightmare. Thankfully this time it went really well, and it was really easy to peel off the backing paper with the vinyl still attached to the transfer tape. Now you need to prep the item that you're going to stick your decal to. So you're going to need some kind of alcohol wipe to clean the surface. I'm using some small sterile wipes which I got from Amazon. When it comes to applying your decal, I find it helpful to put the backing paper back on and fold over the top edge. This helps me to get my decal into a good position before I actually stick it down. When I'm happy with the position, I stick the top and then pull off the backing paper. Then all you need to do is give it a quick burnish to make sure there aren't any air bubbles and pull off the transfer tape. Then I stick my transfer tape back on the backing paper so that I can reuse it. I'm not sure that the video does it justice. This glitter vinyl is absolutely gorgeous. Bye bye for now.